What is capital distribution on winding up of a limited company? Hi, my name is Anupam Saha. I am an accountant. I regularly upload video in my TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook regarding how to save tax. If you want to save tax, please follow me in YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Today, I am going to talk about how you can close a limited company in the UK and what is capital distribution. Capital distribution is when a solvent company, if you close it and after paying all the liability, if you sell all of the company asset and after paying liability, if any money left, which is in a cash form, and you can distribute that money as a capital distribution to the company shareholder, and it is subject to capital gain tax rather than income tax. Majority of the company distribution is actually our income distribution, such as dividend payment, which is subject to income tax. However, when winding up a limited company, it is possible to close the company so that retained profit can be distributed to the shareholder as a capital distribution and is capital gain tax payable, not income tax. So what are the options available? Shareholder and directors who want to close the limited company. Generally speaking, there are the two options available if a director wants to winding up the company. Number one, they can do informal company strike-off known as company dissolution. Number two, members voluntary liquidation, which is called MVL. Informal strike-off. In the case of informal strike-off, maximum value of share capital and the asset can be distributed as a capital distribution is 25,000. Any profit over that 25,000 will be taxed as an income tax rather than capital gain tax. Members voluntary liquidation is a formal procedure to close or winding up a company through to a licensed insolvency practitioner. If you want to close the company and want to distribute asset, share capital, or company asset is more than 25,000, the member voluntary liquidation is most tax efficient way to winding up a company. With members voluntary liquidation, all the capital distribution will be taxed as a capital gain tax, not the income tax. You can able to claim entrepreneur relief or business disposal relief, and in that case you can pay the capital gain tax not 20%, you can pay 10%, so you can save 10%. Your circumstances might be different. I will recommend you to discuss with the professional before you're winding up a company. Still want to know more, please contact me.